Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm coming on today with a really fun, easy project, and it's these decorated binder clips. So what you're going to need for this project is some E6000 binder clips. I got these from Amazon. I will put my link in the description box. These are metal. You need some cabochons, some ribbon, and some hot glue. Okay, so I'll put that one there, and then let's make one together. They're just so fun. So I just thought it would be cute to put ribbon underneath the cabochons, as you can see here. It just kind of gives it more color and more depth, you know, instead of just having black. Okay, well, I didn't cut that very straight. I'm trying to get, I mean, Merry Christmas is not probably going to show by the time I get this on here, but I'm just going to line it up anyway. So take your E6000. Now, don't use hot glue here to glue your ribbon on, because I tried that and the ribbon did not stick. I mean, it did at first, but then by the next day it pulled right off. So just put you a straight line of E6000 all along your clip there, okay? And you'll hear my dog coughing, as they usually are on my videos. Okay, and then I just put my ribbon on and then I cut it after. So just put it down the middle. Be careful when you push it on, because if you push too hard, then all your glue comes out on each end, you know, above and below, and shows. It's okay if a little bit of glue shows. Now when you cut it, just hold it. Hold your hand on it so that it doesn't move. Okay? And it moved a little bit, but I can slide it back. It slides easy, okay? And when I got it on my hands, and it is so sticky. Okay, so I just grabbed some cabochons. Let's keep that one in frame there so you can see how cute it is. And this is the fun part, is just decorating these. I made so many the other night. I'm excited to show them to you, because they turned out super duper cute. And you can put them straight across, you can put them at an angle. Notice on this one I put one up here. You can do that as well. I mean, you're doing the decorating, so you can do whatever you want on these. And so let's talk about what you can put these on. How about you could decorate a couple and put them in a clear bag, and those could be 2 items for a swap that you're in. And you could just decorate a package. Let's say you did some die cuts and you want to close the package up. Throw one of these on to close your package. Or you put them on a planner or a journal or a mini album or a junk journal. They're just cute. You can just use them for anything your little imagination desires. Okay, I'm going to put the snowman, and I'm just putting the glue in the middle of each cabochon, okay? I probably should have scooted those over a little bit more, but because I didn't space them really well, but that's okay. You could put sequins on here. You could put flat back jemmies. You'll just find once you start decorating these that the ideas just start flowing. It's just so much fun. Now, I personally like to fill the hole with something. So on this one, I could use the same ribbon again, or I could use I have some green yarn. I could put that in there. I have some pipe cleaners. I could put a pipe cleaner in there and twist it. But I'm going to use this eyelash trim. So I doubled it up so that it would make it thicker, and then you just put it through the hole. And if you can't get it through the hole very well, just get a pokey tool or something, or a pan, and just poke it through. Sometimes I had, like on this one, I struggled to get that in the hole because the house was kind of in the way. And see, that's coming off. So That one I glued on with hot glue, so that's not going to hold. We need to use E6000. So anything that's touching the metal that's not being glued to the ribbon, use E6000. But as far as gluing to the ribbon, you're okay to use hot glue. Unless you just want to use E6000 on everything. That's up to you. If I can get this to pull through there. Okay, well, I must have not put it in right because it's not pulling tight. Let's try that one more time. All right, come on here. All right, we're going to do that again. So I've got my two. Put them through there. And when I get this done, I'll show you the ones that I made the other night. They just turned out adorable. Okay, see, I'm having a hard time. So I'm just getting something that has a pokey end. That's too big. How about these tweezers? That'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Just something that'll poke that through your hole. Even little jingle bells would be cute on there. Like I said, the sky's the limit. Once you start decorating these, the ideas just start flowing as you look around and see what you have in your stash. This is just not cooperating. I have not had this trouble. There we go. Okay. And then you might want to put a little bit of tab of glue on the back of that to hold it. So I'm just going to cut it. I love this eyelash trim, but it sure is messy. When you cut it, you have little strings everywhere. And so I'm just going to get my glue gun. And I'm just going to put a little dab right there to hold that so that it doesn't come undone. And then turn it upside down while it glues. Okay, so before I show you the ones I made the other night, let me hurry and get a little bit of E6000 on this. This glue is amazing. It holds a lot of things. And once it's glued, it's glued. Cute. Okay, so as you watch the ones I made, I would love it if you would comment and tell me which one was your favorite, okay? And that's drying. So, but see how cute that is? And if you feel like this is bare, you could put something there. Okay, now, let me show you the ones I made. And I guess when you tell me which one you like the best, you can just kind of describe it. See, I used yarn, ribbon, eyelash trim. This one I did a big jump ring, and then I added one of those seed bead candy canes that I taught you how to make on one of my craft fair videos. These are so much cuter in person. I think everything's cuter in person though than on video, don't you guys? Even in picture, it's cuter in person. How cute is that? I love the deer. I love the snowflakes. And this one I used string. This one I used ribbons. This one I used pink ribbon. And this one, see, I wrapped around the whole thing. So the hole is totally covered up. Okay, then I have this one. This one's one of my favorites, I think, with that cute hat. Oh, I love this gingy one. Look at that one. I think that turned out cute. The gingies are so tiny. I'm going to run out of room to show you these. This one, I added a chain, and then I just put a tassel on there. That turned out cute, too. And I have two more. This one, kind of a cookie cutter theme. And this one, I was really on a gingerbread kick the night I made these. And then this has got the pink eyelash trim. Okay, so that's all the ones I made. I can't wait for you guys to make these. They are so much fun. Like I said, I'll put my link for the clips. And you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 9 or 10 in an order. And I don't remember the price. But I'm going to put these in my Etsy shop next year. I'm too late this year, but I just wanted to put one. Let's grab one. Let's see, which one should we get? Let's take this one. Let me move these out of the way just so you can focus more, okay, without all this background stuff. Okay, this is a beautiful journal mini album that I bought from Row. And I'm just going to put this, oh, look at that candy cane's coming off. I'm going to have to, so maybe I need to retract my comment. This was put on with hot glue and it's coming off. So it looks to me like you're going to be better off to use E6000 for everything, you guys. Okay. But I just wanted to put this on here and see, so you can see what it looks like. I have to use my left hand because I have no grip in my right hand. And you don't necessarily have to put it on the front. You could put it in between the pages. But look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? So yeah, you guys, order you some and make them. They are so cute, and just use them for everything that you can think of, and the recipient will absolutely love them. So be sure you comment on which one you liked the best. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day, and please come back. Bye for now.